I'm in the very fortunate position that I have an agent, we shoot cool campaigns, and my career has gone swimmingly well in recent years. However, wasn't always the case, so what I want to do today is show you the exact portfolio that got me signed, tell you what was good about it, what was bad about it, and why it worked. Because I tried to get an agent from 2016 to 2019. Well, actually, I had an agent, but I tried to get a top agent from 2016 to 2019. It was hard. There were some bleak nights. Tears were shed. So let's dive into the computer. Let me take you through the portfolio that actually worked and tell you why it worked. So here we are. This is my portfolio. This is the one which pretty much changed the course of my career. Obviously, portfolios existed before this, but this is what I sent out. And I think it's good to see what I sent out, because then you can sort of go, yeah, my work's at that level, I can get sending out. And this is what I put together. So it's matching colours here and textures. Get a nice double page spread. All low res. You see here's all about that summer aesthetic. Mac and cheese going on. Gold bars. Some detail shots. Not the greatest work. I mean, it's well executed, but it's nothing special. My work's definitely a lot better now than it was then. But what this shows is a cohesive body of work. See how it all looks the same? It looks like it was done by one person. It makes sense. That's what's important here. So here we've got the bread and the yeast, butter melting, circle bits. We've got Smarties in there twice. There's a mistake. Obviously didn't make any difference. And that's important to note as well. This image is in my portfolio twice here. Nobody mentioned it. And if you spend ages and ages perfecting everything, you'll never send it out. Just send it out. These always went down well. Slightly off-brand here, but I was running out of drink shots. This is nice. I liked this. I shot this all at home during lockdown, by the way. So all of this... Whoa, going the wrong way. All of this work was shot, not all of it, most of it was shot in my kitchen during lockdown. I'd already got 12 years of photography under my belt, but we shot a cohesive body of work. And watch this. This is where it goes wrong. So from this point onwards, this is just pretty food photos, like I'm a food blogger or something. These didn't help me at all. These were a hindrance. Again, just very generic, looks like everyone else's work. If I'd have just sent this, or if I'd have led with this, I'd have got nowhere. But because I didn't lead with it, it was okay. You can see they're good images, there's nothing wrong with them, but they're not perfect. But they're not cohesive, and they just look like everyone else's. This is great, it's beautiful. But, there's hundreds of these. Then at the bottom, we just popped in some tear sheets. I won't go through all of those because a lot of them I can't put on here, but this one we can. So this is just one we did for Papa John's. Nothing special, but, just an advert we did for them for the UK. And I think for the US we did one as well, but I can't remember. But, that's what we did. That's all it was. That's all I sent out. But the important part is up here. It's this cohesive body of work. It's this ability to show who I am as a photographer. This is what made the difference. Even though a lot of these shots... actually, that's not fair. A lot of these shots are still in my portfolio. But this drink one's gone. These burger ones are gone. They didn't look great. That's fine, I think. I love this chips one. It doesn't look good on the internet though, but on a full page print it looks amazing. But yeah, that's all I did up until these images down here. Let's keep going to there. It's all good. That's all I should have sent. That and the tear sheets at the bottom. But yeah, that's it. At the bottom last page had my name, my website, and also my telephone number, because a lot of people just like to ring on your mobile. That makes life a lot easier. Made it in InDesign, exported it as press res, which is like the lowest resolution you can actually do, because no one cares about image quality. They care about concept, style, aesthetic, and intention. And I think this showed that this creative body of work married up with the experience of shooting commercially and some of the campaigns I'd shot as well, just said this person can handle themselves on set and they have a good body of work. And that's all there was to it. And I say that's all there was to it. It took me 15 years to get to that point, but that's all there was to it. I'm a slow learner. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you want more information on being a commercial photographer, the sort of stuff that you can't really readily find online, do hit subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.